Imagine a world without video. No movies to inspire you, no vlogs to connect you, no tutorials to teach you how to fix that leaky faucet. Video is everywhere. It's how we laugh, learn, and share our lives. But have you ever stopped to think, what is video, and why does it hold such a powerful place in our lives? Today, we're going on a journey to answer that question. This is the story of video, its past, its present, and its future. Let's dive in. To understand the magic of video, we have to go way back. It all started in the late 19th century with something called the magic lantern, an early predecessor to the video projector. Then came the invention of motion picture sequences of still images played back rapidly to create the illusion of movement. The world's first films were simple: a train pulling into a station, a man sneezing, or workers leaving a factory. But for audiences who had never seen moving images before, these were nothing short of miracles. Fast forward to the early 20th century, and video evolved from a novelty to a storytelling medium. Silent films gave way to talkies, and soon, Hollywood brought stories to life in ways the world had never imagined. Think Charlie Chaplin, the golden age of cinema, and the rise of television in the 1950s. For the first time, people could experience the world from their living rooms. Breaking news, live sports, and scripted dramas became part of everyday life. So, what exactly is video? At its simplest, video is a series of images played in rapid succession to create the illusion of motion. But here's the thing, video is far more than just a technical process. It's a universal language, one that combines visuals, sound, and emotion to communicate in ways that words alone never could. Think about it. A single frame from a video can make you feel something: a child's laughter, a breathtaking sunset, a tear rolling down someone's cheek. Video taps into our most primal instincts. We're wired to respond to movement, to sound, to stories. That's why video is the most powerful storytelling tool we have. Why does video matter so much to us? Because it's emotional. Video has the unique ability to make us feel. It can make us laugh until our stomachs hurt, cry until we're out of tissues, or inspire us to chase our dreams. And it's not just about entertainment. Video can educate, empower, and even change the world. Take viral campaigns, for instance. Remember the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge? A simple idea, shared through millions of videos, raised over $115 million for ALS research. Or consider protests and social movements, how video footage has shone a light on injustice and brought about real change. Video isn't just a medium, it's a force for connection and transformation. The world of video has come a long way. In the past, creating a video required massive cameras, expensive equipment, and access to studios. But today, all you need is a smartphone. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok have democratized video creation. Anyone with an idea and a camera can share their story with the world. And it's not just the how, it's the what. Video is no longer confined to Hollywood blockbusters or TV commercials. It's vlogs, tutorials, memes, live streams, and so much more. The diversity of video content today reflects the diversity of human experience. Whatever your story, there's a video format for it. So, what makes a video great? Let's break it down. A compelling narrative. Every video tells a story, whether it's a 6-second TikTok or a 2-hour movie. And every great story needs a beginning, middle, and end. Emotional resonance. The best videos make you feel. Whether it's joy, sadness, or inspiration, emotion is what makes a video memorable. Strong visuals and sound. Video is a sensory experience. Use stunning visuals, thoughtful editing, and the right soundtrack to bring your story to life. Authenticity. In a world of polished content, authenticity stands out. Be real, be relatable, and your audience will connect with you. Video is so integrated into our lives that we often don't even notice it. It wakes us up with a motivational reel on Instagram. It teaches us how to cook that perfect pasta dish on YouTube. It entertains us with a movie or show after a long day. And it connects us, whether through a FaceTime call or a Zoom meeting. From morning to night, video is there, shaping how we learn, work, and play. So, what's next for video? The future is exciting. Virtual reality and augmented reality are already changing the way we experience video, making it more immersive than ever. AI is making video creation faster and more accessible, allowing anyone to produce professional quality content. And interactive videos, where viewers choose the storyline, are taking storytelling to a whole new level. The possibilities are endless. Video is constantly evolving, and as it does, so does our ability to connect, create, and communicate. I still remember the first video I ever made. It was a school project, a shaky, poorly edited video about saving the environment. But when I showed it to my class, something amazing happened. They laughed at the jokes, nodded along with the message, and clapped at the end. That's when I realized the power of video. It wasn't about the quality, it was about the story and how it made people feel. And now, it's your turn. What story do you want to tell? Whether it's a 10-second clip or a full-length film, your story matters. So grab your camera, hit record, and share your voice with the world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more storytelling tips. And remember, every great video starts with an idea. What's yours?